Welcome to Speak Better Daily, the place where you improve your English speaking and listening every single day. Today's topic is one of my favorite and most powerful topics. Learn English without grammar, easy method. Many people think that grammar is everything in English. They spend months, even years, trying to learn rules, tenses, and structures. But still, they cannot speak confidently. Why? Because speaking English is not about knowing rules. It's about using the language. The truth is simple. You can start speaking English even if your grammar is not good. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to wait. You can begin today, step by step, and improve naturally. This topic is very important because it helps you remove fear, build confidence, and start using English in real life. When you focus on communication instead of perfection, your progress becomes faster and easier. So if you want to speak English easily, naturally, and without stress, make sure you watch this full video. And don't forget to subscribe to Speak Better Daily for more daily English speaking and listening practice. Method 1. Listen every day, the power of input. If you want to learn English without focusing on grammar, the first and most powerful method is listening every single day. Just like a child learns a language by hearing it again and again, you can train your brain the same way. When you listen to English daily, podcasts, videos, or conversations, your brain starts to recognize patterns naturally. You begin to understand how sentences are formed without studying grammar rules. At the beginning, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. Don't stop. Keep listening. Even if you understand only a few words, your brain is still learning. Choose simple and clear English content. Listen actively. Repeat what you hear. Try to catch words and phrases. Over time, your understanding will grow. Your pronunciation will improve, and you will start thinking in English. Remember, the more you listen, the more you learn, naturally, without grammar stress. Method 2. Copy and repeat, shadowing technique. One of the fastest ways to improve your English without studying grammar is the copy and repeat method, also known as shadowing. This method is simple but very powerful. You listen to a sentence, and then you repeat it exactly the same way, same words, same pronunciation, same rhythm. You don't think about grammar. You just copy like a mirror. At first, it may feel difficult. Your pronunciation may not be perfect. That's okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. The more you repeat, the more natural your speaking becomes. You can use podcasts, YouTube videos, or any English audio. Play a short sentence, pause, and repeat it out loud. Do this again and again. Try to sound like the speaker. This method helps you improve your speaking, listening, and confidence at the same time, without worrying about grammar rules. Remember, don't study English, copy English, and you will speak naturally. Method 3. Speak simple sentences every day, build confidence first. If you want to learn English without focusing on grammar, you must start speaking, even if your English is very simple. This is one of the most important steps that many learners ignore. Most people wait. They say, I will speak when my grammar is perfect. But the truth is, that day never comes. Confidence does not come from learning rules. It comes from speaking, making mistakes, and improving step by step. Start with very simple sentences. For example, I like tea. I go to school. I want food. I am happy. These sentences are not perfect, and that is okay. The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication. When you speak simple English every day, your brain becomes active. You start thinking in English instead of translating from your language. Create a daily habit. Speak for 5 to 10 minutes every day. You can speak alone, in front of a mirror, or even record your voice. Talk about your day, your plans, or what you see around you. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go outside. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake you make is helping you grow. The more you speak, the more natural your English becomes. Also, try to use English in real life. If you have a friend, speak with them in simple English. If not, talk to yourself. Yes, even talking to yourself is a powerful way to improve. Over time, your sentences will become longer and better without studying grammar. You will start adding more words, expressing more ideas, and speaking with more confidence. Remember, simple English spoken every day is more powerful than perfect English that you never use. Method 4. Learn phrases, not grammar rules. Speak naturally. The last and very powerful method is to focus on learning phrases instead of grammar rules. When people learn English, they often try to understand every rule, tenses, structures, and sentence forms. But this can slow you down and make speaking difficult. Instead, successful learners focus on common phrases that are used in real conversations. For example, instead of learning grammar rules, learn phrases like, "How are you? What are you doing? I don't understand. Can you help me?" These are ready-made sentences that native speakers use every day. When you learn phrases, you don't need to think too much. You can speak faster, more naturally, and with more confidence. Your brain starts to remember these phrases as complete units, not as separate grammar pieces. This is how children learn language, and it works for you too. Try to learn 5 to 10 new phrases every day. Listen to them, repeat them, and use them in your daily speaking. The more phrases you know, the easier it becomes to create your own sentences. Over time, you will notice something amazing. Your grammar starts improving naturally, without studying rules. Why? Because you are learning real English, not just theory. So remember this. Don't focus on grammar rules. Focus on real phrases. And your English will become natural, fluent, and confident. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking, and you will see real progress every day.